So do you want to learn how to draw a realistic hand? If yes, follow my steps. First of all, a hand can be divided into 2 shapes, a cuboid and 5 cylinders. Next, plaque them accordingly to your reference. The middle finger will always be the longest cylinder, and the little and thumb will be the smallest. Then start adding details and try to find the edges of the drawing to make it look more realistic. Strong and bold lines are the enemy of realism, so avoid them, draw lighter, and find the edges. Now comes the coloring part. We can draw it with only 1 or 2 layers, but it will not look that realistic. To add more realism, we need to find the edges and draw them by accordingly to many layers from lighter to darker. Start by adding the first layer. In this hand, I am taking yellow. As the first layer, this layer should be light. Slowly add darker values in layers. The more the layers will be, the more you will get the realism. Continue to add more layers. I am adding darker and less vibrant layers to slowly add the details. By details, I mean the edges. And by continuously adding layers of darker and faded, you will find a realistic hand. For the shadow, first I am using gray as the first layer. Later, I am adding black as the second layer to add depth to it. Now congratulations, you just made a realistic hand. I hope that it really helped you to understand how to draw a hand like me. And if did so, please like the video. The another hand is also the same, but I want to use a different method. This method is almost no different from the previous one, but let's try it. Start by adding the first layer. Again, I am using yellow as first layer. Then, to get the differentiation between the high and low of the hand, I am using gray-bluish color to add. The second, which is helping me to add depth to the hand above, I will add another layer, which is darker valued red, which is helping me to catch the edges, and added a layer of another dark value, and then added depth by adding darker values. I want to catch the light direction. In order to do so, I will add darker red color on the opposite side of the light's direction, and add depth to the figures of up and down of the hand. Trust the process. For artists like us, patience is the key to realism. After this, all of you are now aware from where the source of light is, and the shadows are now. It is very easy, as you just need to add darker values and blend them. It is also over now. If you are impressed by the video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.